Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. In this video, I am going to talk about the Bank Nifty option trading strategies or Bank Nifty intraday trading ideas or even positional trading ideas. And anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe my channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are already subscribed, I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible, and we are now reaching around 700 subscribers. And thank you subscribing my channel, and keep subscribe and promote to your friends also, so if you like these videos. And thanks for being with me. And this video we are going to see about the Bank Nifty, how their best options trading strategies which is working for our intraday and positional trading strategy that I am going to explain. And already we are discussing about some Bank Nifty strategies, so everything was working very well. So last videos we are discussing about Bank Nifty strategies, and that which we are going to take their level for a Bank Nifty. First of all, we are finding out the level for Bank Nifty based on historical volatility. Based on historical volatility, we seen that there will be a chances of 19,579. Today market made a low of 19,500. Based on IV, we are also calculated the level, but today history repeats in the market and Bank Nifty moves 930 points. So we recommended you do short straddle, but even the short straddle we can easily manage. There will be four types of way we can manage the short straddle to become even profitable trade. Okay, even if market goes in big movement in up or downside, we will find out there will be a chances to get more profitable. Okay, this is the okay, these are the levels which we have derived based on the historical and implied volatility. But today market opened by gap down and big fall, almost 1700 points down. So those who are doing edging kind of trade, they are not worried about this kind of market condition. That is what very important. So if you are doing the naked kind of trading strategies, we have always keep overnight position also we have to worried about. So while we are telling about option strategies, so once you do the option strategies based on that, so even market is going up or going down, so you don't need to be worried about the trade condition. So for example, these are the strategy which we are applied for a Bank Nifty, whether 21,582. If market goes down, you are going to lose money, but the loss is maximum of 1624. So today if you check these options, what we are going to see, 21,500 call and 21,700 call. We are 21,500 we are buying, and 21,700 we are selling. So here, so what happens, so let's so here simply the options values. 21,500 call option were trading around 71, because you bought around 4,444. Now it is trading 71. So your loss, maximum of your loss on the particular option is 444 minus 75. So you lose to 369 points in the particular 29,500 call option, but you shorted 21,700, right? So this option you shorted around 363. You almost lose to 369 point in the call option. And put option 363 minus 60, so 300 points. So what your maximum loss, 369, so you are losing 66 points. That's around 1320. What is your maximum risk you take in this trade? 1624. Okay, you are taking the risk for the trade which is around 1600. Initially you are taking this 1600, and this is the option price which we can easily see what are the premiums and the option chain with our terminal. Okay, based on my terminal, this is option chain. So what I'm going to tell you, sorry, what I'm going to tell you, in this particular transaction we taken the risk for around 1600. 1624 is my maximum risk, where the market even goes to 12,000 or 10,000, whatever the price it fall down. When the market even it increases a higher level also, but my maximum profit is fixed and maximum loss is fixed. So here today this option went to 70, and this option went to 60. So here I made a profit of 303. Here I made a loss of 369. Okay, here my total loss 66 rupees overall. So that is around 1320 something. Okay, so now what I'm taking the risk for the trade, it's totally up to the expiry, but now initially market turning downside. This is the strategy which I applied for a bullish movement, but today totally different in the market. It down by bearish. So even though I was fixing the loss, that is still I was in between the loss only. And opposite direction, if you are taking opposite direction, so that will give you maximum profit. So here 970 rupees the risk and 1000 rupees profit, and we did a lot of strategies, so based on our capital and also premium. So we can decide what should be the strategy, and you can go through this video if you want to know more about the strategies, right? And what was happening today? Bank Nifty, you see that the volatility is increased by 37 percentage. So and today market is gap down opening. By gap down itself, there will be a even further movements. Today opening itself, Bank Nifty was 21,100 rupees. After that, it fell down another 500 600 points downside. Okay, and even Nifty also opening by. And another important thing you understand, so again there will be a movement is again increasing. So if, from this particular point there will be another movement expected, because the IV is increasing. So even coming days also volatile in the market condition, so there will be a high volatile in market. Okay, and Bank Nifty, you see that how Bank Nifty is reacted. So this is the trade. Previously market were trading very flat, and previous those trades on the last 4 days up to the expiry. So the last expiry before 4 days to the expiry, it's rallied 2000 points. You see that around the 19,700 level, Bank Nifty were trading on 24th April. On 24th April, Bank Nifty were trading 19,700 level. So this is the 24th April, and next 4 days keep continuously going up till expiry. So because previously market is down, and expiry rally happened by the last 4 days, and also a lot of people doesn't have ability to trade in futures. Not only in index future, because we cannot do stock future, because all the stocks are having compulsory delivery contract. So physical delivery we cannot trade, but so the huge ants will track the market very up. So most of the people are trying to think that there will be a recovery in market, but even though we are providing some strategies only for a bearish market. Last time also, last week expiry, we are providing Nifty was expecting bearish and Bank Nifty expecting bearish, but we are expecting bearish, there will be a big up, so big movement, but we missed. But our expectation is bearish mode, so that is why we are providing some strategies for bearish with the limited risk ability. So even that limited risk ability, we are taking 500 or 900,000 rupees risk. That was happened whenever market goes anywhere, so we are our loss is fixed almost. And again market, now you see that this was happening last 4 days. 4 days 2000 points movement. Okay, but single day it recovers, sorry, it corrected and again comes to 19,700 level. So this rally is happened due to expiry. So lot of people are buying the put options, and they will be wiped out from this kind of huge movement in a 4 days continuous up. So those who have bought call option here, they are also got wiped here right now. So those who are bought last 4 days call options, so here 1 2 3 4 days continuous 4 days call option buying, and in a single day everything was got out. So that is why we always do the edging kind of trade, which gives you always better returns. Even it was a limited, but it the loss also be limited and profit also be limited. You know the loss what it is and profit what it is whenever the trade goes right and whenever the trade goes wrong. So as per our this thing, a higher high and a higher low strategy, so it gives you sell signal on 15 minutes time frame on the day last trading session at 2 o'clock. So this is what trade, and we can maintain the stop loss 21,900. So it gives, so anyone who bought the put options of 21,500, today they will be making huge money. 21,500 put options today increased more than 1,300 points. The option itself, where it is close to 538 by yesterday, that is last trading session, and today it was trading around 1,869. So now today we got a clear sell information around 21,200, and we are also providing some sell signal, sell call around 20,060 and we booked around 250 points here, and after that it's cleanly going down. So we have to do carefully with the edging kind of trade strategy. So now I'm going to show you one of the strategy. So we are normally using the strategy based on the starting of the month, but this time we got a huge benefit in starting itself and the bank nifty option trading strategy. So where whenever we are always taking the closing price of the bank nifty option, that is 21,500. so what we are going to do, we will do either bullish or bearishness, but there will be a calculation and there will be a thing we have to understand so before entering into the trade. But I'm not explaining you how to enter into the trade. Okay, that I am going to teach on my paid classes, anyone who interested to join my paid classes. But now I am going to explain you how the system is working, so where I am getting the profit and how I'm going to get the profit. So using what is the benefit about using the edging kind of trades. So how I am going to benefited from the edging kind of trades. So what are the benefit if I do the trading strategy which I'm going to follow. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what are the system. So now, so two ways we can manage the trade. Okay, but if I am doing the trading, so I can think that, so I was bullish about the market. Just a moment. I'm bullish about sorry, so this time I was bullish. So let's ignore it. So this time I was bullish. So what I'm the closing price of bank nifty is 21,500, approximately 21,431 is the exact closing price on last trading session. Okay, but I'm rounded the premium at 21,500. So what at the time of closing price 21,500, call option were trading 538. So if you want to check, you can check with the NSE website, 538.25. At the same time 21,500 put options, that is our trading 444.95. so these are the closing prices on the last trading session at the last closing hours. So here I was bullish. So normally we already teach you a lot of times how we can apply this strategy, so that will give you beneficial about our intraday and positional trading. Okay, this is one of the positional kind of option strategy. So now what I'm going to do, as I bullish, so I'm thinking that there will be a bullish in the market, so I'm going to take in bullish market I'm going to buy call. Okay, I'm going to buy a call option which will give me a trend. I'm expecting the trend is bullish, so I'm going to buy 538 premium, so which investment is costs around 20 rupees per lot, so which is around more than 10,600. Okay, so this is the total premium which I invested. But when I know when the market is going down, even I was paying the 538 rupees, that is the total time value. Total time value. So even the better chances which I can provide you, how much the profit it generated. So the total premium which I paid 538. So if you have calculated exact premium 538, which is multiplied by 20, so 10,760. So 10,760 which I invested in a single side call option without any protection. So if market goes down, I'm going to lose money. Even market goes up, so from 21,500 plus what I'm premium paid 538. 538 is the total premium. So whenever market moves more than 22,000, I'm going to get the profit as per the expiry, as per the settlement. Okay, so intraday or whenever market started moving, the option also started moving. But as per theoretical, so when I am going to make a profit 22,000 over and above. So that is my cost price. So these are my strategy. So now without, so this is the same thing which I am going to build a option strategy builder, so very easily you can understand. Let's build a strategy. So bank nifty which I am taken for a study case, so let's take options. So this is what option buying strategy, 21,500 call option which I am going to buy. Today it was trading 399, sorry, so we have to calculate the 7th expiry, right? The expiry contract is not a 28th May, 7th May. 7th May, which is trading 23 rupees, but where I bought this option, I am buying this option by 538.25. That is what last expiry. So if I added the positions, so this is my exact loss which happened in this particular position. So this is my loss which is happened almost 9,300 rupees, where I invested 10,765. When market is against to me, I was losing all the money, 9,300. There will be no chances. You see that there will be a cost price of my entry point is 22,039. That is theoretical cost price. So this is what normal trade which I generated my trend expected bullish. I'm expecting the trend is bullish, so this is what my trade. So as per my advanced strategy, what I'm going to do here right now, so initially I'm going to buy one call option. So to protect myself, I'm going to buy another call option, but instead of that, I'm going to do 3 lot of call option. I can change this as my 3 lot. Okay, so now clear, my view on the trade is bullish. Okay, again I tell you, my view on the trade is bullish. So that is why I took the 3 call options, where my total loss arising from this particular trade is around 27,915. Okay, so when I bullish about the transaction or bullish about the stock or index, I'm directly going to buy a ATM call option, which will give me loss whenever market goes on. If it is market is moving as per my direction, I'm going to get a profit. But the thing, whenever I'm paying the premium, that total premium, which is total premium what I'm paying, so only time value. So if I'm playing with the time value, so when the time moves down or time decreasing, the premium of the options also going to decrease. So this time 27,915 is my current loss. So how I manage this loss? So initially I'm going to take a position where it is a long trade. So I was bullish, I was taking a long call, but I think that there will be a big bullish, so I'm expecting big, so that is why I bought a 3 lot. There will be a intensive to take the 3 lots. Why it is very important, so we will tell you how to manage and everything on our paid lessons. So now I take a 3 lot. So what I'm thinking, so 3 lot which I invested the 32,000 premium. So where directly I invested 32,000 rupees in option, that is only out of the money, sorry, ATM, that is having only time value. So that is not a clever thing to invest that much of amount in option. So okay, even though I am thinking that there will be a bullishness, but if any chances market goes down, how I am going to turn my profit, or how I am going to protect my loss. So if market is against to me, I'm in this type, I'm not ready to make a profit, but I want to stop my losses. So you understand what I'm telling you? If I'm thinking bullish in the market, if market goes bullish, I'm not worried. If market goes bearish, I'm worried, and my positions make loss. If I do some strategies, if market moving my direction, I'm going to get profit, that's right. If market goes down, if I'm not getting losses, that is better, right? So that is why our strategy. Now I bought 21,500 call option with the 2 lots. The same time I'll buy 21,500 put options, where the last trading price of yesterday is 444.95. 444.95. So this is the last premium where it is traded. Now I'll protect myself from this put options to take as insurance premium that will protect me from unadverse effect or unadverse movement about my trade strategy. So you see that this is what the strategy which gives you some profit. Here my trade, which is I was a very much of bullish about the stock. Very much bullish. Okay, I bullish about my trade. I took 3 lot of call option. Okay, and to protect my 32,000 rupees I'll take some other another 18,000 rupees premium where to protect my this 32,000. You understand? I invest initially, my investment is 32,000. To protect my 32,000 investment, again I have taken 18,000 insurance like premium. So initial, and I did this strategy which I did with the, we called it as 3 is to 2 trading strategy. Whenever we got a 3 is to 2 trading strategy, when the direction is right, we are going to profit. When the direction is wrong, we are not going to lose. But what the thing, you are thinking that bullish, I'm bullish about the market at 21,500. Now market is 19,600. As per my strategy 3 is to 2, now my trade is in profit. When the market goes wrong or against to me, I was making almost 58% return. That is very nice and perfect. This is the trade where I am losing my direction, or we can tell you that non-direction also, but this is not like a non-directional trade, because you are fixing the direction by your option lots. So my view is bullish. This is what protection. Okay, and what happened? Finally I was making the profit of almost 58% of my investment, that will gives in this particular option strategy. And now this is the weekly options, which is normally it will not move this kind of movement, but when we planned our IV range and the historical volatility range, so once you understand that ranges, so you will easily find out the range for the stock, and very easily you can find. This is what bullish trade, where I invested 50,000 rupees. Now I make a profit of 29,000. 100% that my trend is wrong. 100% my trend is wrong, but I was making profit. I get a profit, and you see that the probability of profit is 68%. So in case if you are pick the direction very correctly, for example, instead of taking a bullish, so you think that there will be a bearish in the market, so you are thinking bearish. So what I'm going to do then, so this is what a bullish, and I'm going to buy 3 call and 2 put options. That was giving me a nice profit. 3 call and 2 put, and here I was bearish about the stock. The same thing which I'm going to do, 21,500 put by 3 and 21,500 call by 2 to protect myself from premiums, and that is unadverse movement, and 538 and 444.95. These are my by premium, which I'm going to take 2 lots, and here I'm going to take 3 lots. Here my view is bearish. So both the chances which I am derived and which I showed you, where you are going to take your trade opportunities, either bullish or bearish. So I'm simply changing here. I'm going to buy 3 lot of put options. I modified here, and here I'm going to take 2 lot of call option to protect myself in case of market is increased very huge, because currently the IV and premium and everything for the stock is quite higher. So you have to manage the trades what you have done. Okay, so once you know the trade management, you can easily do the trading. So you see that if you are picking the right direction, you are bought 3 put options. Understand, you bought 3 put options. This is what you denotes bearish direction, and here your insurance. Okay, so 3 put option, 2 call options. Here if you are right, investment required 48k, now you are going to get 138% return. So what the market strategy? If you are right, profit. If you are right, you are going to get a profit. If you are wrong, you are going to lose. But what I'm doing as per my 3 is to 2 strategy, if you are right, good profit. If you are wrong, no loss. But in today's scenario, both the cases, so what I'm telling you, if you are wrong also, you will wait for your cost price, and you have the chances to make profit. Here both the cases profit and profit. Here 138% is a profit, here 68% is the profit. Both the cases you are expecting bullish in the market and bearish in the market, both will happen. You are going to get profit. That important factor what you have to understand, you must think that there will be a movement in the market that should happen in expected time value, that is expected time, so the expiry time. After expiry, if a market happen, nothing use. So last week we are thinking that there will be a bearish in market, it not happen. So we have this strategy for a bearish, that we applied it out and we taken out, and it gives you a more profitability. That's about my this video, and I hope this may be useful videos to you, and you may understand something here. And if anyone who want to open a trading account with me, you can follow the link where I provided. So this is my account opening link, you can open an account. This is my telegram channel, you can follow with me telegram. And if you have any other questions or doubts, you can comment it out, or even more doubts and more clarity, you can directly contact me through WhatsApp, or even you can contact me through my direct number which I provided my here. You can go through my YouTube channel and you will be find out my number, and I have provided my number in the description. Okay, here you can see my number here, and you can also WhatsApp me. This is my number, you can contact me through WhatsApp or direct. Okay, thanks for being with me, and anyone who ready to open an account, you can also contact me, and using this link you can fill up your link to open an account. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you like this video, you can share to your friends and comment on this video, and many more. Thank you.